Hello, everyone. Welcome back to this episode on cloud databases. This is the second episode in the series where we are focusing specifically on some of the databases. Last week we saw the Azure option, PaaS option. Today we're going to be looking at the other possible options that are available when you move to the cloud and use cloud databases. I'll start with Vinay Diwakar, our first expert in the panel.
Hi guys. Yeah, so NoSQL databases we have discussed and we have covered in previous episode. They are no structured and highly scalable databases. Cosmos DB, it's a good option, and for small documents less than 2 MB of size, this is a preferred option. And the lesser the better, cheaper. So less than 1 KB is preferable. And when you read more and you write less, because writes are 5 times more expensive, then Cosmos DB is a preferred choice. If you like your idea to be smart, small, and pay as you go, Cosmos DB again is a good choice for you. If you have support included, and that's your preferred method for operating, then Azure subscription actually has support included for small databases and Cosmos DB, and it's a good choice for you. If you need guaranteed latency, regardless of what is the size of your database, again, Cosmos DB is a good option. MongoDB, it is another option. And if you have your database document size is more than 2 MB, then MongoDB is going to make a lot of sense for you because you have larger databases and Cosmos DB does not function well for larger document sizes. When you like to have fixed budget for storage, again, then MongoDB is a good choice for you. When you use Mongo API features, which are not covered by Cosmos DB, again, MongoDB will have an upper hand in that situation. When you need freedom to create unique indexes, then MongoDB will have an upper hand in that situation. When you write data more often than you read, then MongoDB storage will be cheaper and it will give you better performance as well. If you have to decide on a backup policy where you do not want your databases to be backed up automatically, then again, MongoDB gives you better control and it may be a preferred choice for you.
Ganesh, your views?
Very good, Vinay. You explained it very good and presented in a very good fashion. Overall, costing, okay, that is one thing which I wanted to cover, okay. Examples of the DynamoDB is much cheaper, okay, than MongoDB overall. However, if the read and write capacity, as Vinay mentioned, it is the one which is going to be costing it. If the read and write capacity or the item size is increased, the cost of DynamoDB will be increased. MongoDB is the other hand, the cost stays the same until you scale up the storage needs. So it is very important that, okay, CosmoDB and DynamoDB, they are little costlier as you go and read and write, okay, that one, whereas MongoDB is useful. But anyway, all of them are NoSQL. They have the same advantages and the features. They can grow horizontally. All the things are there. Where there are slight limitations, okay, on that particular thing. It depends upon application and application, which database, okay, in the NoSQL you are going to use it. Otherwise, functionality-wise and everything, there's not difference. Only cost-wise and some features here and there is a slight difference.
Thank you for your inputs, Ganesh. But I think Vinay put it very well. If your database size is really small, then yes, MongoDB need not be considered. But if your database size is really huge, which is what I expect in any enterprise application, obviously to grow to more than the 2 MB size, I think MongoDB has been a preferred choice in many organizations that I've been seeing, which are going in for the NoSQL route. So I think, in any case, the options are here in front of everyone for the CTOs to understand and take a decision, and for the database experts to think about what is best for them. Thank you, Vinay, and thank you, Ganesh, for the great insights. We'll be back, viewers, next week with a new episode on the same topic where we are handling cloud databases and we're discussing about specific topics around them.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you.